Hey everybody, welcome back to another live stream. In this live stream, we're going to be back at it with where we continued last time. Let me get Trello up. So I definitely want to work on crouch speed. That's one of the first things I want to look into. But we did finish our Patreon. I'll talk about the Patreon later. We don't have to talk about that right now. Let us. How do I can archive this and then remove it, right? Or do I click it, archive, then delete? We don't need to worry about that. So things to do now. I think I need to make like a generic list. Let's just do coding or coding/Visual Studio. Because I was able to purchase Visual Assist, so I want to set that up. And I think it automatically gets enabled, but I found a website that will give us some like tips and tricks on how to use it. So I want to set that up, and then we'll do the crouch speed, and then we'll kind of go from there, because we might want to have an atom slot for better looking transition between crouch and normal sprinting movement, something like that. So we'll have to figure that out. So what do I want to type in? Visual Assist Setup. And I have some resources. Game dev, it's probably gonna be at the bottom of the list. That one and that one. Well, I think just the first one. So let's just open that up. Write a comment. Look into setting up Visual Assist for project. Save. Members, me of course. Due date, we'll do it today. How is it due tomorrow? Oh, today's the 11th. Okay, that's why. Save. So it's overdue, whatever. We're gonna do it today. And we'll make another list called live stream list. So we'll do that. We'll move some stuff. So crouch speed. So let's just worry about these three. Coding Visual Studio, though, I want to make another card. Improve compile times. So add that card, and there's this article I want to look through that will hopefully improve compile times. Okay, members, me. What else? Due date today. Let's make a new label. What is it? Coding/Visual Studio. Save. There we go. And we'll kind of just throw that into this list. Ah, okay. Just this ticket, thank you. Visual Studio setup. Let's give it that same label. There we go. Okay, so I think we can get started. So I'm going to move this over onto that screen. I'm going to kind of switch back and forth to what not Visual Studio, what the live stream's doing and reading. So let's see. Default IntelliSense and UE4. Visual Assist operates within Visual Studio with or without default IntelliSense. In small to medium solutions, the related modules provide separate and overlapping functionality without degradation of IDE responsiveness. If responsiveness suffers with a large solution, consider disabling default IntelliSense and using only the functionality of Visual Assist. Okay. So default IntelliSense is actively parsing when its icon pulses. The icon is found at the bottom frame of Visual Studio. I think it's like where it's like down here somewhere. If you're really away from content. Okay. Let's see. Is there IntelliSense anywhere? Okay, enable and enhance syntax coloring. Suggest, yeah. Let's see, coloring and attributes. I don't think I want to change anything there. Highlighting, I don't think I would care. Display, I think is fine. Editor, fine. Smart select. Suggestions. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Projects and files. Performance. System info is fine. We'll say okay for that. Okay, this one is under enhanced list boxes. So when parsers in both Visual Studio and Visual Assist are active, the enhanced list boxes of Visual Assist can be populated by either parser. Select the parser via the option. Okay, I think that's what I want to do. Generated headers of Unreal Engine 4. UE4 makes extensive use of preprocessor macros, and some of those macros are defined in the generated.h file that accompanies each UE class. Okay. Disabling the default IntelliSense, I think I just did that. Okay, enable support for UE4. I think I have that selected, right? I think I did that. So it's under Unreal Engine. Yes. I think that's fine. Then there's a performance. Options dialog of Visual Studio. Disable default IntelliSense by changing the following two settings in the options dialog of Visual Studio. Adjusting these. Okay. So I gotta go to, okay, we'll say okay, and then we gotta go to Tools, Options, Text Editor, C, C++, Advanced, and then Rescan Solution Interval. 0, and then Disable Database to true. And okay. So that should be okay. Let's see. Best options for Visual Assist plus UE4 development. Let's just see if there's any more snippets out there. Okay. So there's the highlighting, there's a thin frame we might want, highlighting. Yeah, thin frame, okay, I think I like that. Code inspection beta. Let's see, Visual Studio can analyze your code and suggest improvements, enable code inspection. Okay, why not? Yes. Then open the Options Center. So Tools, Options, C, C++. So the navigation bar is already there. Good. Navigation in UE4. Search for and open files using Alt-Shift-O. Proceed to search the hyphen to exclude symbols. I think that's okay. Refactoring. Okay, there's a lot of special functionality built in Visual Assist for UE4, such as suggestions for macros. You can throttle the initial parse in the Performance tab, Visual Assist. So let's look. Okay, I think I have that all good. So I think we have Visual Assist the way we want it. Yeah, we could play Sea of Thieves. I was just hoping it'll be a little later, like our normal time, like 7-ish my time, which is 1 your time, 1 p.m. Is that still cool with you, Bill? Yeah? Okay. So yeah, I'm only gonna be doing this for like 2 hours or something, so don't worry, it's not gonna be too long. Okay, so now I want to try as well to try to improve compilation time if possible. And based on this article, I'll kind of have it open in front of you. I'll also link it when I make a YouTube video for it. But so how to improve compile times? So basically, this guy was asking this. And this was the suggestion. So I don't know if because this is a post from like 2014, so it's hella old. But we can see if it does anything. So I already kind of compiled my code a few different times. So like right now, if I just hit F5, it should just open. At least that's the theory. Yeah, so that was relatively quick. So it's going to open and we'll just kind of close it back immediately. And the suggestion is to add 2 lines. Min files using precompile header override equals 1, and then be faster without unity equals true. Those are the 2 lines. I'm not sure where they'll go. I'm assuming they'll go here, like in this. I guess it has to be there, right? Okay, so it's loading symbols. Okay, we're good. So we can close. And let's just add this 2 lines. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so it's absolute. Okay, so it says it's been deprecated in favor of setting B use Unity. Okay, so B use Unity. So we can try that, just so we don't get any kind of warnings. So B, yeah, there's a. Okay, nothing. Okay, so B use Unity. Do we get any warnings? Okay. Okay, so I think we're good there. So let's move that stuff. Trello. We can remove that. Visual setup. We're good. Archive. You know, I don't know if deleting these things are a good idea, but you know, whatever. Improve compile times. I'm guessing that's okay with what we made here. So we're done. Archive. Delete. Okay, so now we can, let's look into crouch speed. Because towards the end of the, at the end of our last stream, we went to engine types, and we added a new movement mode, which is crouching. So we should be able to do something with that. I think, so I think we made it an ability, I believe. So crouch. So there's the function crouch. I think we should be able to get to these symbols. Let me dock that one back in. We should see where this function is. Hopefully. Might take a few seconds or an hour, but hopefully we'll see it. Okay. So here is character.cpp. Now somewhere in here is crouch. Can we crouch? So crouch. Okay, so I think this is where it was earlier, right? So is there a... Oh. So it's a virtual void. So in theory, we should be able to overwrite it in our character. Okay. Alright, so let's take out ability, movement. Don't need hero.h anymore. Hero build, no. Let's just keep up these guys, and we don't need the .h here. So we got our hero character CPP. Do we want to do it here, or do we want to do it in our player character? Because hero character, I think, will eventually be for like AI will also derive from that one. So I'm not sure if that's a good idea to put it there, because I guess it would be. So hero character and hero character.h. So where is this one? So virtual void is right here. And it's under what? Is it public? Yes. How many public stuff do we have? I guess I'll put it here. New function. And then override. Create implementation. Boom. Okay. Now, of course, we got a super. Okay. Now, I want to set the movement mode. Is there a set movement? Movement. Okay. Is it? Get character movement? No. Where is the character movement component? There. Get character movement. Then is it loading IntelliSense or something? Okay. Set move and load. E movement mode. Crouching. Seems valid so far. And now, let's see. Is it in our character that we're checking, the tags? Or is it in our movement? Might be in our movement. Character movement component, .h, .cpp. There, yeah, on movement changed. So let's make another tag. I'd rather have the character movement component worry about the tags. So let's make another one here. Let's rename this to in-air tag. And then copy this. Call it crouch tag. Back into our CPP. We gotta correct this. Okay. Air tag. Okay. Air tag. Okay. Now we can add if movement mode equals move underscore crouching. We want to do something like this. So check if in air tag, well, we gotta change that up here. In air. Now we got, yeah. Check if crouching, what did I name it? Crouch tag. Okay. And then we gotta do a removal when we're walking. So check if crouch tag is valid, plus test tag, okay. Oh yeah, we gotta change the crouch in here. Let's see. Let's just take out that screen for a while, we don't need it. So, crouch tag is valid, crouch tag, blah, blah, blah. So now, crouch tag. Okay. Now, we also got remove it here. So if for any reason we're crouching and then we're moving, we want to do that. And then also else. Let's refactor this to functions though, just because it's getting kind of gross here. Oh, thanks Anthony for following. I appreciate it. Love ya. Let's make functions here. It's gonna be private functions. Let's just make its own category here. They're gonna be void. Let's call it update in air tag. It's gonna take a boolean. We'll call it b add tag. We'll do something the same, but to crouching. Do void update crouch tag. Bool b add tag. So now we can. Oh, there we go. Where is the tomato? There we go. Create implementation. Come on, tomato. Show me a tomato. Okay, fine. Create implementation. All right, so now we have our two functions. So we can do if the add tag, and this is the in-air tag. So that's removing it. So that's falling, right? This is the add. Else, and then we'll do the remove. I guess we can also jack the comment. Okay. All right. So now we have our update and air tag function. So let's go back here and see what we're doing. So this one we are adding the in air tag. True. Or is it? Does it have to be lowercase? Yeah, it has to be lowercase. True. True adds the tag. I guess we can add a comment here. All right. If true, add the status tag for falling. If valid, if false, remove the tag. Okay, and then we can kind of just say the same thing here. For crouching, crouch tag. Okay, now we can go back, copy paste this. So this is crouching, let's not worry about that yet. This is the air tag, and we're removing it. And then one more time, right? Or a couple more times. Yeah, we'll want to do it here. So update Erica's false. And then again here, right? We're removing it. Okay. Okay, so we can kind of hide this now. Don't need to see it. Now we got to update the crouch tag. So this is adding it. If the add tag, pop that in, else we are doing it right here, right? Okay. That looks good. Looks good. Okay. So update crouch tag. Let's start from the top. So we are removing it here because we're falling. Okay, I think it's fine. I could do like that. So this one as well is removing it. Oh boy. Okay. Maybe, I don't know if we want to have a status.walking tag. We might need that. I don't know. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, I suppose. Okay, now we're crouching. So we change that to true. Then else, keep it to false. Okay, so that looks a lot cleaner. Like that. Okay, now I think we need to make a new attribute for our crouch speed. So let's do that next. So we have our attributes. Let's not worry about engine types anymore, or character CPP. Anything there. So we have our crouch function. That's where, at that point, I want to update movement walk speed based on attribute. Okay. So we need to go into our attributes. First in the .h. So let's add a new one. View property. Add it anywhere. Print read write. Category equals. Let's do the same here. Hero. Player. Oops. Player character. Attributes. F gameplay. Attribute data. Thank you. Player crouch speed. And then let's just copy. I don't know why I just copy this whole thing, but whatever. Okay. So now we can go into our CPP. Let's just check if there's anything we need to do here. Yeah, this is clamping. So let's do a clamp. Well, I guess we could just do. Let's put spaces in between here, just so it's not as claustrophobic. If attribute. Let me move my position since you guys can't really see me. Well, you can see me, that's the problem. Let's put me over here, where it's less important. There you go. And, jar. Oops. Okay. Much better. Okay. Sorry about that. So if attribute equals, and it should be get player, or is it just get crouch? I already forgot. Player crouch speed. So let's clamp this to equal fmath clamp float. New value between I guess 0, 0 and let's just say you can't get any faster than the get player attribute, movement speed attribute. Wonder if that's something valid I can say. Okay. So let's just see if everything we just did, let me just close that. Let's see if everything I just did actually compiles. Because we did just do a lot, so. Yeah. What's the problem? I didn't see the error. Crouch override of function in parent class cannot have. Oh, okay. So we gotta go to hero character. We don't need that. Okay, we can remove redundant virtual. Okay. What else? Okay, there's a problem with attributes. Okay. No. Okay, cannot convert argument 3. Oh, okay. So yeah, we can't get that value. Can I do anything like dot? No. Can I not get the value? Are you sure? What the hell? Let me try. Get player movement speed. Oh, movement speed attribute dot get value. Okay, there's nothing there for that. Okay, what do I have it here as? So it's good. Okay, let's just make it 10,000, right? Not a big deal. All right, let's see if we can do it this time. Okay, so hero character movement component. Oh. Attribute needs to go there. And then owning player. What's wrong? Oh. We need to get the owning player. Okay, I don't need to do that anymore here, right? Yeah, we could just nuke that. Okay, we also have this old stuff. Okay, we just gotta do it here. And also here. Boom. Okay, so that should be good. Okay, falling tag. Okay, so that is still somewhere that exists. Where is falling tag? Ah. Okay. Think we got it this time. Okay. Alright. So now we have an attribute for the player, but now we need to initialize it. And I know we have, I believe we have our own folder somewhere. Data tables, player attributes initialization. So we have a table, but we need to add it to our data table, which we could do manually, I think. Maybe not. Add a new row. I guess technically we can. Guess it's fine. I kind of want to use. I think it's fine. If I'm the only one working on it, we can kind of come back to it later. So add new row, and then we gotta rename it. Hero player attributes dot player crouch speed. I think that's what we named it. Attributes. Player crouch speed. Just play it safe. Yes. Base value. So our movement speed is 500. So let's make our crouching speed, I don't know, like 150, right? Minimum value, max value. It's gonna be 10,000, I suppose. Then can stack. Sure. Okay, so that's our data table. So now we gotta say when we're, because basically what happens right now is we can play, we're walking. This is distracting to have both on the same screen. We're walking and then we crouch, but we're still moving like the same speed, right? that's a bug actually. Let's fix that bug. If I want to know if we're crouched. So where's the evade? Activation blocked. Oh yeah, we need a new status tag, right? No, we have one status, crouching. So you can't activate it while you're crouching. And actually, let's go to our character. Character movement component. So we have our tags here. So in air tag status dot is falling, crouch tag status crouching. So there we go. So you know we're moving, and then we crouch, but we're still going the same speed. So we have to update the player movement speed. So we don't need to be in attributes anymore. We have our crouch. Yeah. So, how do we set up our walk speed? Is that in our character movement component? So that's on our movement mode changed, our new functions. Let's set new air control. Set new jump velocity. Okay. Where does this happen? Maybe it's in our player state. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to make another function here too. In our player state. View function. Blueprint callable. Category equal 0. Player character attributes. Float get crouch speed const. Okay. Create implementation. Attribute set base. Get player crouch speed. I think that's good. Let me just check again. Yeah, get player crouch speed. So we're good there. Hopefully. So we're initializing attributes. Okay. But where do we set getting the movement speed? Because that's get max speed. So it's on the get move speed. Okay. So hero character. Hero player character. Okay. Do I have to do that here too? Yeah. Okay. Doesn't hurt to have it all over the place. But we'll see. Function. Blueprint callable. Category equals same crap as before, but now it's in our character. Attributes. Float get crouch speed const. Then we can create the implementation. Let's just copy one of these. Okay, and then player attributes, we're going to do get crouch speed. So now we should have in here. Is it here or? I'm kind of losing track of of everything. Let me just adjust. Okay, so that's our initialization. We don't care about that. On possess. Is there a crouch speed parameter in? Let's just see. Hero character movement. Crouch. Or is there just crouch? Set crouch speed. No? Okay. Okay, that's not important. I think there's nothing we need to do there. Begin play. Binding, we're good there. We're getting our ability system component. I think that's fine. All right, this one doesn't matter. Get move speed doesn't matter. I think it's in our character movement component. No, it's not. Well, okay. Oh, it might be in our just our hero character. Aha. How do we want to do this? Let's see. We need to. Yeah, we might have to move this out of here. Or we can do this in here, but then in our hero player character, we can do the same thing again. I don't know if this is redundant, but we're just gonna do it, right? So this is in public. Okay, and then super. Crouch. Whoops. Wow. Okay. Crouch. And then here we can. Now we can do it here. So, get character movement. Set walking speed. We might need to open up the editor. I just want to look at the character movement component. There you go. Hero character. Max walk speed. Because it's interesting because, like, we have max walk crouch speed. Can I try making this 10? I just want to see if this will change it. Because I know last time it didn't. Yeah, see, that doesn't do anything. I don't know why. Maybe we can look through the source code to see where that's used. So max walk speed crouched. So that's in character movement. So let's look in the character movement. Max crouch. Is that not what it's called? Max walk speed crouched. Okay, max walk speed crouched. Yeah, right here. Okay, and entire solution. Let's just see where it's used. It's gonna take a while. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guess while that's waiting, I'll just look at my phone. Do 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 do. Wow, it's really having a tough time finding this one. Come on. I believe in you. Oh. This is upsetting. Thank you. Okay. Find all. So that's there. Okay, by default it's half. And then where's this function? Post load. Okay, so this, I think this is the problem. Get max speed. I don't know if my component is doing that. So, because I do have a get max speed. So let me look at my CPP. Aha. That's the problem. I think we can copy this. Okay, let's just... Can I do the super at top? And not have to do it here? Let's see. Okay, I have a lot of problems. Okay. Get crouch speed is not a member of view player attributes. Get, okay. What is then? Return player. Get player crouch speed, maybe? Let's go here. Yeah, it's just get crouch speed. That's interesting. Alright, let's see. Set walking speed. Oh yeah, we don't need to do that. But if we can get that crouch speed thing working, then we literally just have to override one thing. So it should be quicker. So guess we have to do that. Okay. What else is wrong? Get crouch speed must return a value. Oh, return. Okay. Okay, at least it compiled. So we're good there. Okay. So now, in theory, we should be able to go into our character movement component. So our max walk speed crouch is 10, so it should be noticeable. So we're walking and then crouch. No, still no. That's interesting. Does that? All right, I'm gonna have to do separate screens here. So let's close everything that we don't need. That's inline. All right, our movement component, we don't need that. Yeah, let's look at that again. Let's see, yeah, get max speed. Let's copy this. All right, let's see if this gets called at all. So it does. Okay. Okay, maybe I have to do something else. Actually, I have an idea. Stop. Because, yeah, that gets called, but... So where am I calling it, right? So get max speed. Yeah. Yeah. So that's redundant to say, so. Like, where's my version getting called? Maybe I have to do it when I crouch. I can call get max move speed. Let's see. Don't need that. So is it hero character? Under, yeah, hero character. Sorry. Don't need the player state. No. Hero character dot cpp. Then maybe I could just call get character movement component. Get max speed. I feel like that's wrong. Because that returns something. Let's see. Get character movement. Set walking max. Set. That's movement mode. Is there anything for walking? Let's see. I don't know where this setting is. Let me look. Here. Not entire solution. Current document. Hello there, Codebreaker. How's it going? What am I looking for again? Crap. Walk. So jump velocity. Walkable floor. Yeah, movement mode, ground fiction, float, max. Okay, so it's literally just max walk speed. So I think we can do something like this, like. I don't know, that seems kind of gross. What's wrong? We don't need that. I don't know if that's valid. Can I compile that? F5. So at the beginning of the stream, I set up visual assist and stuff like that. Now I'm trying to get crouch to work in terms of the crouching speed. Just trying to figure out the best way to do that. And then once we figure that out, depending on how much time is left, we might move on to like animation stuff again. So we'll see. Alright, it's really having trouble with this last one, so we'll see. I don't know why this last one is taking so long to compile. Come on, what's it doing? Probably gonna not compile correctly. I'm doing some new character abilities. I have one fully done already with UI implementation and all. Then I will be doing all items and effects and abilities too. Very nice. Oh, that's something I don't know when I'll ever get to. Like, if we want to have UI, like since I'm solo, I don't know if I'm gonna have anyone to make art or anything like that. So, yeah, touching the engine code. Lesson learned, I suppose. I'll touch it if I want to. I'm a grown man. I'm allowed to. That's why it's there. Let's see. But today we're not touching the engine code. I know that much. We learned a lesson last time. But I don't know. It's really struggling, like, with this last library. So I guess we'll be here forever. I just wanted to tell me it can't compile, and I'll be happy. Oh my god, please. I'm gonna, like, fall asleep. Engine code editing is forbidden. Yeah. Unless you have, like, a super mega computer or something that'll let you compile everything in, like, 3 seconds. But that's impossible. Okay, so now it finished the 13th one. Now it's on the 14th one. So let's see if it'll go. Like, I added code into my build.cs to hopefully help with compile times. That was something else we did at the beginning. But I don't know if that is mattering what I'm doing right now. Because it doesn't seem like it's had an effect, because we've been here for like 3 minutes and it's still compiling. Oh, woe is me. Maybe quantum computing will do the trick someday. Yeah, by the time I'm dead, they'll probably do something with it. Come on. Like, I don't even know how often max walk speed is called. The world may never know. Just, I want this to compile faster. Thank you. Well, it's not done yet. I got cocky. Yeah, a trillion a second would be insane. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not that good with computers. Well, I'm just learning as I go. Oh my god. Thank you. Okay, and it was compiled correctly, it seems. Okay. That's good. So player state we don't need anymore. This we might need. Character component, max walk speed. Yeah. Is it hero character that we're doing this? Where is this? Yeah. So let's see in theory. I don't think it's gonna work, but yeah, see, it's still. Why does it not work? Like, this should get called, right? Let's see. Crouch. Okay, so that doesn't even happen. Why? I'll make a coffee real quick. Okay, yeah, enjoy the coffee. Okay, maybe it's because I'm not calling my crouch? Let's see. Hero abilities, crouch. Yeah, okay. Get hero. Get character. Okay, can I do get character hero component and then crouch? Okay, so it's literally okay, so what so I'm calling hero player character. So the hero player character is here, which is this one. So this should get called when I crouch. And it does, right? And let's step into it. So it calls this, which I don't think. Why is it calling that one? That's the question. Let's just continue. Hero player character. Hero player character. .h. Okay, so hero player character inherits from a character. We want it to inherit from a hero character. Okay. I hope that doesn't do anything bad. I hope it does something, but I hope it doesn't do anything bad. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I have to have a call with my parents every week. Let's see. What's wrong? Okay. So maybe we. Okay, we'll come back to this in a minute. I'll be back in a couple minutes. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, Codeburger, you're right. I believe that is the case. So I'm assuming, since I just reparented, a lot of this can get removed. But I'm gonna just comment it out, double check. I think those two. Probably these two, but let's just check. Oh my god. There's a lot. A hero character is not a thing? What? That doesn't make sense. Let's just compile it again. Yeah, that is a lot of damage. Okay, let's look. So, super God, it's a lot of random crap. How is the best way to do this? Let's see. Hero player character. Alright, let's clean this up. Let's just see if we can do this. So, hero player character, hero character. So do all of these have a super in it? So hero player character, set player input. Yeah, it does have a super. Do I just not need to do that? Well, no, that's the player character. Whoops. Wait, this is the one I wanted to do. Let's see. Oh, right now when you're calling the super, you're calling it instead of the A character. Yeah. That's what I want to have done, but I don't know why all this stuff is happening. I don't know if it's dangerous to do this, but it's the player character, so we might not need the virtual stuff anymore. Maybe? Let's see. Because I want it to be, you know, hero player character. Well, okay, so the top is character, then I want it to be hero character, and then I want it to be hero player character. So that eventually hero character can then go for AI as well. So, possessed by method with override specifier to not overwrite any base class methods. Okay. Which one? Possessed by. Okay, so we're gonna have to do some gross stuff. Not gross stuff, but I think I know what I need to do. So this is under public. Just gotta re-implement them here. So possessed by, create implementation, and just do a super. Possessed by, well, new controller. Let's just see if that gets rid of this one error. And if it does, then we're gonna have to do the rest. Yeah. It's fine. Alright, so it's still here. Does it have to be virtual? Well, it tells me no. Okay, so I don't really know what this error means then. So I'm gonna have to look it up. UE4, C++, method with override specifier. Override did not override any base class methods. Okay, we found something. Okay, that was nothing. Possessed by. Let's see. Nothing is really helping me right now. I might have just screwed the pooch. The error says that the parent does not have such method declared. But it does. That's what I'm confused about. Because a hero character, I just added right here, possessed by, and I implemented it right here. And then hero player character, I have it. Is it because it's not over? Yeah, I have the override. Yeah. What is the hero player character? Hero character .h does a generated body. Hero player character. Does it have to be this U class? This hero API. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying things out. Namespace? Yeah, maybe. Yes to all. Okay, so that didn't do anything. Okay, let me just not do that. And hero player character, I already had that. Don't need that. So hero player character .h, then hero character. I mean, this all doesn't, like, I think I'm doing everything correct. And what you're saying doesn't really make sense to me. I like, it automatically specifies namespace when you create these functions. I don't know if you're talking about, like, in player character.cpp, I do, like, a hero character possessed by, and the new controller. I don't think that does anything special. The .h file, I don't think you have to do that on the .h file. That doesn't make any sense. I think, like, if I literally make this a hero, no, if I make this a character again, like this one does, right? Yeah. Like, if I do that, I should fix all the problems. But, like, I don't get why. Okay, so we don't have as many errors as before, but we have the hero player character. What are the base turn rate? Okay, I got rid of those, I think. So hero character. Where's the turn rate stuff? There. So that's that. Well, according to Visual Assist, the virtual name didn't need to be there, and it didn't work with or without it, so the same problem existed. What's the problem? Blueprint read-only should not be used on private members. Oh. Alright, where is it in here? Character, it's under public. Yeah, it's not like it's wrong, it's just Visual Assist says it's redundant and not needed. So, I took it out and just went with it. Yeah, cannot open file hero character. What is wrong? What does that error message mean though? Cannot open include file. Let's see. How are we gonna fix this? Okay. Let's see. Alright, I have to clean everything. Okay. Maybe that was the problem too, like, if I didn't, I had to like regenerate things after trying to do it. Okay, so we're gonna have to do that. That's annoying. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So we don't need binaries, intermediate, or saved. That's a lot of crap. Okay. Generate Visual Studio project files. Yeah, I hope this doesn't make us rebuild everything. That's gonna be so annoying. Okay. Let's see. All just to get this fucking crouching to work. Okay, so that's not good. That's empty. But we don't need to be in there anyway. We were in the wrong one. We can go in here. Boom. Well, knowing how this game is set up, it's gonna make me do everything again. Okay. Thank you. The line. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. And F5. Let's see what happens. Because it might make us do like a couple hundred of them. I'm hoping not, but. Okay. So it's still having the same problem. Cannot open include file. Why? I guess I should have finished reading that article. Okay, no. Let's try it again because I missed a step. So saved intermediate binaries. Generate. Check for spelling. I don't know if that. I'll check it in a second, but let's just do this. So let's see if this gives me an error. If it does, then I'll check for spelling. But I don't think I changed anything there. But you know, I've done dumber shit, so wouldn't put it past me. Yeah, it's still getting the same error even in here. Fatal error. So this is gonna fail. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, right? It looks like game over. Just because of crouching. I knew it would be my downfall. So hero character generated.h. It's fine. Here, player character.generated.h. It's fine. A hero character. What's wrong here? Redundant virtual, I don't care. Let's see. Because I definitely need to refactor this crap, I think. But that seems like it's going to be a lot of work that I don't want to do. I don't think I have to do this. Oh, maybe it's because it doesn't have a U class. Oh my god. Please tell me that's it, though. Yeah, that probably is it. I took... Okay. Let's not count our eggs yet. But it looks... Yeah. I deleted it on accident. Hey, at least we learned something. Okay, we're back. We're back. Problem solved. Okay, so I don't even know where the fuck I was doing. So crouching. Okay, so hero character doesn't do anything at all. I want to... Alright, that'll be the next week. I want to refactor that so that player character inherits from a hero character. Okay, so it's stuck at 91%. Okay, there we go. And let's just play. Be sure. Yes. And you crowd. Okay, we have a breakpoint. That's fine. Let's continue. So we're crouching. Yeah. Okay. I were doing anything, but yeah. So okay, let me put that into our Trello. Hero coding. We don't need this one. Nah, let's not worry about it. So coding Visual Studio. I don't like that that's named, but we're just gonna do it. Refactor hero player character to inherit from a hero character instead of character. Okay. A hero player character should inherit from a hero character, and a hero character inherits from a character. Do it. Save. Members, me. Due date. We'll do it next. Actually, I'm going to Serbia next week, so we'll have to save it for 2 weeks, I think. So we'll save the 25th. Labels, coding Visual Studio. Okay. Yeah, luckily I'm the only one working on this project, so it's just gonna say just do it, and I'll know what it's talking about. So, a hero character has this functionality for crouch, right? Where did the crouch go? Or did it? Was it never? Here it is. So I want to keep this there, but I'm gonna just copy it and put it into hero player character. Okay. Actually, you know what? Can I get, like... I did not want to hit F11. Stop. Don't care. Find references. No, okay. Where is this? Oh my god. That's the character movement. Okay. Like, how come F12 doesn't do anything? Get character. Like, is that just broken? Okay, .h. Where is this? It's ability system component. Okay, let's just go into character. Quick actions. Okay, so F12 is just not doing it anymore. Is max speed private? I don't know. Hold on, I'm getting distracted. Like, for some reason, F12 is not doing what it was doing before. Like, it's not showing me quick actions. That's not what I wanted to do. How do I... Yeah, F12, go to definition. That's just not working anymore. Why? Having so many problems today, goddamn. Visual Studio, go to definition, not working. Okay. Delete the intelligence database file. Do I have to reset some things because let's see. That's fine. C++, directories, code inspection, don't care. Projects and files. Unreal Engine. Yeah. That's interesting. So that's just references and crap. Oh my god. Okay. What am I even trying to do? This is so confusing. Let's see. So a hero player character. Minimize everything. So this, it gets max walk speed. This is, I have a version of this in my component, right? Get max walk speed. And I should, in theory, be able to F12 that, and it just doesn't do it. Yeah. Yeah, this is so annoying. Alright, let me close the solution and open it up again. Maybe that's the problem. So still no. Is it literally because I turned that stuff off? Let's see. See, it's a text editor. What? No, am I on the wrong thing? Project, no. Visuals, no. I thought it was tools and options. And then text editor, here we go. C, C++. Advanced. So let's just make this false. I think this was like 60. So let's clip it and close it again. Because yeah, this is making it difficult to code. Okay. All right, now I'm back. Okay. But it takes a while. Okay. So maybe I don't need to look at it directly there. Let's hero character. Get max walk speed. So this is the max walk speed. And then it does a super. But I think this is engine code now. In the get max speed. Can I go to the definition? Thank you. Okay, what? Where's the character movement component? Oh my god. So much code. Like, this should take me not to here. Okay. It's not developer. Max walk speed. Where's it? Get max speed. Yeah. Go to definition. That's not the definition. Go to the one. Okay. Find all references. It's the floating pawn movement. We were just there. Oh my god. What am I doing? Get max walk speed. I'm calling a super on that. And that's like, is there another thing I can do here? No. That's the hero component. Open containing folder. So it is engine source runtime engine classes game framework. So that's the .h. Where is it? Public? No, it's gotta be the private if I want the CPP. Private. Game framework. No. Engine. Okay, I guess I have to look for character movement component.cpp. Yeah, we didn't really accomplish anything on this live stream. Thanks, Codebreaker. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. All right, here's the .cpp. Get max walk speed. Or get max speed. Find all. This one. So it has this switch. I'm going to copy that switch. That's what I was looking for this whole time. So if we copy that switch, we don't need to super here. So, we can maybe do it this way. Whoops. And then this. No. Maybe you could do it inside of this. Or can we do max walk speed equals this? What's wrong? Okay. Expression must be a modifiable value. What's wrong with that? What? What's wrong with this expression? Okay, fine. Float new max walk speed equals that. And then we do that. And then yeah, if worst comes to worst, we could just do that super. So all this for a drop of blood. Let's just see if we get our character to move slower when he's crouching. That's all I want. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, that looks right. Okay, so it has unsupported movement mode 7. Okay. I think I know what's wrong. Okay. Let's do it. Case or case. No, it's on the same line, right? Case move. Crouching. Return. Return. Let's just do that as well. Let's see if that error comes up again. What's wrong with this? So crouch. So this is a hero player character. And then we go hero player character. Then we're doing that. Why is it unsupported though? So yeah, we're running like that. Then that. Okay, I don't know what this error is. Warning. Okay, UE4. Warning. Character has unsupported movement mode 7. Okay, nothing good. What's wrong? There should be a warning here, right? Do I have a set movement mode in here? Set movement mode. No. But where is this error coming from? On movement mode changed. Invalid ground movement. I don't know where this error is coming from. It was working earlier. I guess we're gonna have to find it the old-fashioned way. No, okay. Okay. So control. So it has supported movement mode. Let's just see what it has there. So hero abilities crouch. So I call crouch, right? That calls hero player character. It calls crouch. So I'm guessing the error is coming from here. Let's just see what happens. So maybe I have to refactor what I'm doing in general with crouching. See, yeah, now it's okay. So definitely this call. right here. Okay. So. Do I want to change this? Okay, let's change it. Case, move, crouching, fizz, let's just do walk, fizz nav walking, delta time, iterations, and then break. Okay, and then here, they're doing return, so we don't have to break. Okay. Now in our character moving components, no, in our character, we have this here. Oops, what did I press? Okay. Let's see if I have to recompile a bunch of stuff because I changed source code. So if that's the case, then we might have to like end the stream here. Okay, only 8 actions. Okay. I like how that dollar one's just not moving. Recent donation. Properties. Loop. Done. There we go. Alright, so let's see if we get that error. Okay. Did that not fix it? What, evade? Activation blocked. Yeah. Do I not have that tag? Crouch tag? When I'm crouching? Let's see. Pause. Eject. Click. That's own tags. Okay. Whoops. That's our other ability. So. Debug actor. That's the actor. Is it these ones? Yeah, okay. Own tags. Okay. So that does not work. But we don't own tags. So we'll have to look at that as well. Yeah, the crouch tag is right there. Yeah. Does this get called when I crouch? Let's find out. Continue, I'm walking. Okay, it does. So step over. Okay. Okay, so that so they didn't get added. Okay, let's put a breakpoint there. Continue. Oh, is there a way to see this? So is the crouch tag valid? I don't know. Okay, that didn't work. What happened? Oh my god. Can this tell me any information? So that's the owning player. That's the crouch tag. What is wrong? Okay, watch value. So continue. Crouch and uncrouch. So it's not telling me anything. Cool. Okay. Gotta make the debug actor. Okay, so none of that is working. Like the fall tag is not being added. So none of this is working. So that was a bad refactoring. Maybe just a return is here needed. I don't know. Struggling hard. We didn't really get much done. Jack, possess. Okay, so still no. So the tag name is there. Step over. So it just jumps to the end. Okay, let's just do a double if. If where is it expecting? Ah. No? Ah. Okay. Let's see what was wrong with that one. Okay. So this is just wrong. So what was wrong here? Get ability system component. Is there any like tags information? Let's look at the error one. I guess what else is there to try? Owning player, get ability system component, has like where's the IntelliSense on this? I don't know. Okay, we're not adding the tag at all. Like, will this add the tag? Because that doesn't make sense. Okay. So still no. Interesting. I don't know what I'll have to look at what I was doing before, because I think if I literally do like this and just comment this crap out, it should work. Because it's a valid tag. The world may never know. Object, select, possess. DB all character is me. So still no. Why? This doesn't get hit, does it? Else. Is like the way I'm doing the else wrong? So if else. Like this should, right? This should not get hit. At least not in theory. I'm not sure why it is. Yeah, that's right, because I'm walking. Why? Why is that get hit? Let me see. Hmm. Okay, I'm just getting into a mess. So for whatever reason, these things are getting called unnecessarily. Let's look at that. Maybe this else is getting called. Let's see. We don't need that breakpoint. Continue. Okay, so I think just overall this else is fucking me up. Maybe we just don't need it. Maybe that'll be okay. And if this works, then next week we're going to have to do a lot of cleanup, and I'm not looking forward to it at all. reject, possess. Yes. Okay. And not. We can just take that out. Okay. Guess we could. We'll have to do a switch here. Might be easier. Do I do it also in this? Yeah. So let's do a switch. Why are those wrong? Okay, so I know why they're not wrong, but okay. So default will be false, false. And then break. So now falling. Break. Crouching. Break. No. Walking and nav walking will be the same. Break. Swimming. Break. Flying. Break. I guess in the air will be true for falling or flying. Okay. Let's see if this causes me any problems. Okay. Oops. Let me move my chat box over there. Okay, so let's just make sure the tags get put on me. So eject. Status. Okay, so falling doesn't work. And crouching doesn't work. Why? Yeah. I mean, that all seems good. Okay, so why does default get called? Alright, let's just break for default. That should be good. I feel like something's getting called twice and I don't know what. Okay, boom, zoom, possess. Still nothing. What the hell? So default. Why? I'm so confused. Like, yes, that gets hit, right? And then continue. Okay, and then, boom. No, continue. Ugh. And then step into. So is this just not getting called again? Ah! God. I hate this so much. Like, this is literally getting called, and I don't understand why. Like, yes, I get that. Continue. And then crouch. Take that break one out. Continue. And yeah, why? Why is this getting called? Like, this if is hit, right? Continue. Like, crouch. See, that got hit. Continue. And then continue. And yeah, see, like, can I add a watch? I can't add a watch. I gotta stop too. God damn. So, we'll figure it out, I'm sure. I hope it's something stupid. Like, play, yes, I get that. Continue. Continue. Like, crouch down. Okay? So we're not flying. Then continue. And then it's going again. Okay, continue. Continue. So I gotta fix uncrouch. Maybe that's the problem? So movement mode crouching. Okay, continue. So movement mode walking. Okay, that's the reason why. Okay, so we'll save that for next week. Let me just add that to Trello so I don't forget. Set movement mode called twice. Okay. CY set movement mode is called twice when crouching. First is with, what's the word? First is with move, crouching. Second is with move, walking. Okay. So that's it. I gotta stop now. I got other things to do tonight. Thanks so much for watching. If you aren't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure to follow on Twitch and subscribe to Twitch. I just started a Patreon, so check out the Patreon. The name's Devin Sherry on Patreon. Check that out for some rewards. On Discord, you'll get access to the source code that we're working on, things like that. And a big shout out to my friend Christoph Lovash. He became one of the first Patreons, so I appreciate you, Christoph. I love you. And also check out the Discord server. Everything will be linked at the end of the video. For YouTube, everything will be in the link in the description. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next live stream.